PP2 files are prop files. They often contain geometry data, although they may also contain a reference to the OBJ file containing geometry information. And they're stored in subfolders within the props folder within libraries inside the runtime. And compressed prop files have the extension PPZ. And then we have a number of other different files. We have hair files, light files, camera set files, and face files. These are HR2 are the hair files, LT2 are light set files, and CM2 files are the camera set files. FC2 files are poser face files, and HD2 files are the poser hand files. Each file of the above type except PZ3 scene files may be accompanied in its folder by a second file with the same name but with a different extension.